Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge 2018 Fall Edition, hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. Thank you, Hillary. If you want to see what I did, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I found this little plastic plate at Goodwill, 99 cents. And this is going to be a nice start for what I have in mind. I found this little saucer at the Goodwill for 99 cents. And I have a Dollar Tree candle holder. I also have a can of Krylon orange. And it's gloss, and it's for indoor-outdoor. So I think this is going to work. Okay, I have my two little pieces all cleaned up and ready to go, and I'm going to give them a coat of orange paint. Oh boy, is that bright. And I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to end up giving it a second coat, I know for sure. My son suggested that I add a little bit of yellow to the bottom to bring out the yellow in the pumpkin and to break up the orange. And I did, but all I have is acrylic paint in the yellow. So as soon as it stops raining, I'm going to go outside and give this a coat of clear sealant. And then we'll be back. And I'm using some Krylon clear glaze just to seal in that yellow paint and to give it a nice bright shiny sheen. And one coat ought to be good for this, and when it dries I'll take it back in and start putting everything together. I just love the way these turned out. The paint on the one side and the pattern showing through, which I think gives it a really cool look. The clear coat that I put on here now has the yellow looking real shiny. And once again I'm going to go to my old favorite, the E6000 glue. And I'm going to put a little dab here and there of the hot glue because it helps just make it stick really fast and keeps it in place while the E6000 is drying. And I'm just going to center this right over, and it's already holding. And then I'm going to repeat the same thing with this, and I'm going to put the little plate on top. But I'm going to wait for this to dry just a little bit because I don't know if you can see that little mark in the center, but it's going to help me align this much better. So we'll wait for that to dry. Okay, I'm just repeating the same thing, a little E6000. And the spaces in between the E6000, I'm going to use the hot glue, and it'll help it adhere real fast. I'm going to try and eyeball this so that it's pretty much in the center. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So we're going to let that dry. and we'll be back. Well, it's all dried all together, and I cannot wait to use this to hold treats for the grandbaby. And there it is in place in my pumpkin themed tablescape. I can't wait for the baby to see this. And it is absolutely perfect for a plate full of pumpkin Jello jigglers. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.